So today we're unboxing the Steelmate tire pressure monitoring system, T74-P, and I got this to monitor the tire pressure of my car. So we're gonna take a look at what's inside, and we're also gonna record the installation. So first of all, it comes in a nice box and pretty good packaging, and opens up easily. I think there's a magnetic flap over here. Okay, and inside you see the TPMS system. It has 4 sensors, one for each wheel, and you have a 12-volt cigarette lighter, I guess dongle or device. Okay. So as you can see, you install this in your wheel. You replace the tire valve with this one, and what it does is it's gonna sync the tire pressure with the main unit, which you install inside your car in the cigarette lighter. So let's take a look at the installation. One last thing, okay, I almost forgot, there's actually something inside this box. Got some stuff inside, so it looks like the instructions are inside, if I can get it out. Okay, so got some silicone gel, do not eat. So you got the instructions inside, which I'll be reading later, and seems like you also get a wrench tool and some locking nuts, okay, as well as rubber valve stems, or no, not valve stems, but rubber seals for the valve stem. Okay, so before anything else, this is my car. Let's unlock it. Put my stuff inside. So according to the instructions, the first step in installing this is to put the sensor in. Okay, but first I think we need to get this into accessory mode. So this is the sensor. Okay, and that should I guess turn on accessory mode and turn all the stuff off first. Okay, so my 12-volt socket is here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert it here. And take the plastic off. Okay. So the next step is you take the sensors, and these sensors are clearly marked. If you take a look at that, FL front left, FR front right, RR rear right, RL rear left. There is a set button at the side, so we'll click it. See, and you need to click it, I think, 5 times. You hear that? So I clicked it 5 times. Now the display is lighting up, and you can see the left front indicator is blinking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this out and install the front left. Basically, I just installed the front left sensor. It's pretty dark, so I'm not sure if you guys saw the video or if I'm going to use that. But what I'll do is I'll install the front right sensor so that you guys have an idea of how it is. So right now, see my front left tire sensor is saying 30. Now I'm gonna click the set button and it should light up and tell me to install the front right one. Now I'm going to install the front right. Here we got some light. I'm going to take a measure first. 29.5 psi. First you get the rubber seal, take away the valve cover and put this in first. Okay. Then this is the anti-theft nut. So do put that in, screw that in. Then you get the sensor. See, front right. Okay. And screw that in. Once that is in, take the wrench tool, the anti-theft wrench tool, and you can use it to lock. Okay. Because then that will prevent people from stealing your sensors. See that? 29, which is cool. So basically, do it again here. Locking bolt. Sensor, RR for rear right. You do lose a little bit of air when you screw it in, and then you can use the anti-theft bolt. You need to use this tool if you want to install the anti-theft bolt to prevent people from stealing your sensor, which is probably a good idea. Okay, now it's locked and it's installed. So I finished installing it, and as you can see, it shows my tire pressure, and the my tire pressure is consistent 30 psi all around, except for my front right tire, which is 29. And what happens is, if the pressure goes above the high pressure value, which is 47 psi, it's going to alert me. And if the pressure goes down the low pressure value, which is 25 psi, it's also going to alert me with a beep. So this is kind of cool, right? Keeps you safe on the road, also monitors your tire pressure. And what I also like about it is the blue LED lights. It matches nicely the blue lights of my dashboard of my Ford Ecosport. So yeah, pretty good. The only thing I don't like about this is if I need to unscrew the sensors to top it up with air or do something, I always need to carry the locking wrench or the anti-theft, wrench. But it's a small price to pay for, the convenience of having a TPMS system, and also, preventing other people from stealing your sensors. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, and for those of you who are interested, this is the Steelmate TPMS TP74-P. Okay.